A massive 5-layer security ring has been activated in Delhi ahead of Russian President Vladimir Putin's visit to India. Highly trained personnel from Russia's Presidential Security Service, top commandos from India's National Security Guard, Delhi police, snipers, drones, jammers, and advanced AI monitoring systems are part of the unprecedented security grid. Sources say over 4 dozen elite Russian security officers landed in Delhi days in advance. They have been sanitizing every route the president will take, from the airport to Rashtrapati Bhavan to Hyderabad House. Specialized drones will provide a 24/7 live feed to a central control room. Multiple sniper teams will cover roof lines along Putin's movement routes. And the tech deployment, AI monitoring, facial recognition cameras, and high-range jammers to neutralize any threat within seconds. As soon as Putin's aircraft lands, all 5 layers of security go live. The outer rings will be managed by the NSG and Delhi police, while the innermost layers will be handled by Russia's own Presidential Security Service. And whenever Putin is alongside Prime Minister Narendra Modi, commandos from India's Special Protection Group, SPG, will join the innermost ring. One of the biggest highlights of the visit is President Putin's car, the Aurus Senat, a highly armored luxury limousine flown in specially from Moscow. The Senat will accompany him throughout the trip. Putin and PM Modi were last seen riding in the Senat during the SCO summit in China earlier this year. Putin's hotel has already been fully sanitized. Russian officers are conducting independent checks at every venue on the list, and even at a set of potential impromptu stops which have also been pre-secured. The entire city surveillance grid has been upgraded for the 48-hour visit. Putin's full itinerary. President Putin arrives in Delhi today evening at Prime Minister Narendra Modi's invitation for the India-Russia Annual Summit. On day 1, the president is expected to land, settle, and later dine with Prime Minister Narendra Modi. On day 2, a packed diplomatic schedule awaits. A ceremonial welcome at Rashtrapati Bhavan, a visit to Mahatma Gandhi's memorial at Rajghat, the India-Russia Annual Summit at Hyderabad House, an event at Bharat Mandapam, and finally, a state banquet hosted by President Draupadi Murmu at Rashtrapati Bhavan. With Russian, Indian, NSG, SPG and Delhi police forces working in perfect coordination, and with some of the world's most advanced surveillance tech in action, Putin's India visit is being termed one of the most heavily guarded international movements of the year. This is Shubh Bharadwaj for NDTV.